Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the rules where you live, because telemedicine legality and prescription limits vary by state. This prevents delays. Next, you gather required documents: photo ID, insurance details, and a current medication list with doses so the clinician can compare. Once done, you pick an accredited telemedicine platform or a pharmacy service that offers online prescribing. Choose one with licensed prescribers and clear privacy protections. Then create an account and upload your documents to start the visit. You enter the consult prepared. Fill every intake field accurately because missing details slow diagnosis. During the video visit, describe symptoms and history clearly and answer medication and substance questions honestly. This determines safe prescribing. Once the clinician explains options, verify their name and license if the platform doesn't show it. Then ask about alternatives, interactions, dosing, and common side effects so you understand risks. If tests are needed, make sure you know where to get them before the prescription is. You finish by confirming e-prescription details and selecting your pharmacy or mail delivery. This ensures the medication is available where you want it. Make sure the drug name, strength, dose schedule, and number of refills are correct before you end the visit. If the prescription is not approved, ask the provider why, request a written statement or referral, and consider an in-person clinic if necessary. This often resolves evaluation or regulatory issues quickly and keeps your treatment uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.